Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. What amazing, awesome, just incredible day today. And today I want to welcome you back to the Family Reset, our daily steps to strength and unity. And it's easy to be grateful when life is good. And so day 32 today, we're going to talk about the power of gratitude in tough times when it's not as good. So today, let's talk about something even more powerful, and that is gratitude in tough times. Because challenges come, but gratitude shifts our perspective. 1 Thessalonians 5:18 says, give thanks in all circumstances, for this is God's will for you in Christ Jesus. Gratitude doesn't ignore struggles. It helps us see the blessings within them. When families practice gratitude, even in hardship or bad times, it builds resilience and strengthens faith. So today, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to challenge you to take a moment with your family and name a couple of things that you're grateful for right now, even if it feels difficult like it seems to do these days. Gratitude isn't about what we lack. It's about seeing what we still have. Gratitude turns obstacles into opportunities. So let's reset our mindset and choose thankfulness no matter the season. So what we'll do is we'll see you tomorrow for another step towards strength and unity. And just want you to remember, every time you wake up, there's so much to be thankful for. Just the fact you're waking up is part of it. All right, have a great day. We'll talk to you tomorrow.